Hello penny pickers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. So in today's video we're going to be going over 4 tech penny stocks. These are going to be some penny stocks that have some potential going in through January 2021 and beyond. So let's dive in and check them out. So the first penny stock we're going to be looking at is going to be Senmiao Technology. So shares of Senmiao Technology saw a nice jump on Friday. The company has developed an online ride-hailing platform called Shijin Jiantia. Earlier this week, the company announced that more than 620,000 rides were completed on the XXTX platform in December. This was up from about 537,000 rides in November, accounted for 5,035 active riders. Senmiao announced that the launch of the XXTX in late October 2020 to ride-hailing drivers in the Shandong, China. Since then, more than over 1.3 million rides have been completed using the platform, even with the new concerns over the Rona, obviously. What's more is that the Senmiao has also conducted leasing services for its automobiles. According to the company, approximately 19% of the XXTX active drivers lease from Senmiao. With attention to companies like Uber, recently the industry trend has experienced a bit of a trickle-down effect in 2021 so far, even though the year has just begun. Keep in mind that aside from this tech, the company has also gotten involved in the electric vehicle space. Senmiao inked a deal last quarter with BYD Auto Sales Co., subsidiary of BYD Company Ltd. The company SOL BYD manufactured EVs to Senmiao. As part of the agreement, Senmiao will provide an initial deposit and expects to purchase at least 5,000 vehicles from 2020 to 2021 to support expected ride-sharing growth. Now, if we take a look at this penny stock, guys, right here, it was trading around 30 cents here, pre-Rona, made highs here of, about $2.26, which is huge gains. That's over 600, 700% gains right there that it made in about, June, July time period. 65 million shares traded. Then the stock had a huge sell-off and came back down all the way down to about 40 cents. And then we've been on a trend up here in the past few months. Now, like what we would like to see here is the lows are getting lower and the highs are getting higher. So we had 46 cents here. Then the next low was at about 59 cents, but the high here was 74 cents. The high up there was all the way at around $1.20, $1.50 higher than that. And now what we're seeing now is we're at this previous support at around the $1 area. We're hoping to, consolidate here at this $1 range and then continue to push up some more volume and continue to trend on up, break through that $1.75 resistance and continue to push up. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on this one as, short-term, mid-term, and long-term analysts have this stock as very bullish. So we're going to keep an eye out on this one, especially since the EV market is booming. There could be some potential with this one in the near future. Now, guys, as always, you guys do a great job on my videos, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification if you guys are interested in watching some more of my content. I make videos on penny stocks, dividend stocks, any type of investing you can think of. Also, guys, we just hit 11,000 subscribers. Let's aim for 12,000 plus in January. The second tech penny stock we're going to be watching is going to be Uxin Limited. Now, with this one, last quarter, Uxin launched its used car rating system to the public. It basically analyzes used car data, analyzing things like car age, mileage, exterior and interior condition, etc. It then compares it to the pricing when customers search for used cars on Uxin's mobile application or the website. They will find a like new score placed on each car. This makes it easy for customers to compare based on this score. The recent surge in Chinese fintech companies has trickled down into Chinese tech names this week. Similar to what we explained in the past, it will come down to continuity and follow through to see if Uxin stock remains one of the penny stocks to watch beyond Friday's session. So what Uxin did was it went up about 14.5% on Friday at the close. The stock is trading at $1.10. Now what we see here is the stock is, in a little bit of a trend up, and then it came all the way back down throughout the past month or so, but it did have highs here of about $1.83. And we lost about 50% of those gains in the previous month. Now, what we're going to be looking forward to is volume to pick up and more positive news with this penny stock. Like we said, they have some things coming up, and especially in China, a lot of these penny stocks are booming right now. So we're going to be watching this one throughout 2021. Not my favorite pick for the tech stocks that we're talking about on this penny stock list, but it is on this list, and we're going to be discussing it, obviously. So we're going to see what happens with this one, but we're going to be hoping for it to break through this $1.25 area and to continue to, push up with some more positive data and obviously more volume. Coming in at the number 3 spot is going to be another tech penny stock, and it's going to be Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment. So this one followed a big jump in share price that came with some aftermarket fillings. This is one of the famous or infamous SPACs that came to the market over the last few months. While it hasn't seen the same wild success as other companies, more recently the stock has begun creeping higher. So Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment merged with Gordon Point Acquisition Corp via SPAC deal. Its focus is on the football-themed entertainment and technology. The company also owns the Hall of Fame Village powered by Johnson Controls. This is a multi-use sport, entertainment, and media destination centered around the Pro Football Hall of Fame's campus. The company has also been inking new deals this year. In November, Hall of Fame signed a deal with the Sports Illustrated Studios, and last month closed the deal with State Kings to launch a National Fantasy League. The partnership with Stake Kings will introduce staking to its season-long fantasy sports league. This is the idea of making a financial contribution to cover a portion of participants' entry to or buy-in fee, and in return take a percentage of the winnings. Right here, here's a quote from the Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment. The Stake Kings platform will enable the public to partially stake any of the HOFL's 10 regional-based franchises, thereby becoming team stakeholders and gaining access to exclusive content, communications, and team governance features. This week, Savvy Volatility Warren Master Fund Ltd reported a 4.99% stake in the company. Another 13D-A showed IRG Canton Village Manager LLC with a 27% stake, which is a huge stake in my opinion. Now, this stock was trading at over $11, about a year ago, and then we saw this huge dump throughout the year. The stock just continued to go on down and became a penny stock. Now, the good thing here is going to be we consolidated, build up a new support around this $1.20, $1.30 area. So this is our support area. As long as we don't fall below that, we're okay for now. If we do, it's going to be like a falling knife, and it's going to have to build up a new support, hopefully. But what we're hoping for is more volume to pick up, trade a few million shares per day, as we're trading around 3 million, 4 million shares lately. We're going to be hoping for some positive news in the next few, weeks and into months, and hope for this one to break back through this $2.50 resistance in the previous times, and then continue to trend up all the way to about $5 plus in the near future in 2021. So keep a very, very close eye on this one, as it has some potential to, trend on higher. And the fourth tech penny stock we're going to be talking about is going to be eMagin Corp. So aside from the presentation next Thursday at the Needham Growth Conference, eMagin has also reported several interesting developments to note. Specifically, last month, the company expanded its New York facility to support growth in its business. And here's a quote from them: "We are securing more space in the Hopeville Junction facility in advance of the arrival of the new equipment under our $5.5 million IBAS grant and $33.6 million award from the Department of Defense for enhanced U.S. domestic capability for high resolution, high brightness OLED micro displays." So the company said it will begin the build out of the space this quarter. It ultimately should increase its existing clean room by approximately 50%, which will house a production tool for its high brightness direct patterning technology process. As the market monitors this progress, eMagin stock continues to press higher. Friday saw the penny stock reach its fresh 52-week high, which further extended the move it made since we first began covering the company, more than 230%. So, wow, this chart is beautiful. This is my favorite pick on this list, so I hope you guys made it to the end of this video. If you did, leave a comment below letting me know you made it to the end, because this is the best pick on this list. So you're lucky if you made it this far, and I see that you guys are my loyal viewers, and I waited for this one to show you. So this stock was trading around 20 cents at the beginning of the year in 2020, and now it's trading at around $2.20. So the stock's over 1,000% gain since then. And as we can see, the stock just continues to make new highs and higher and higher highs. And then we did some consolidation here and pulled back a little bit throughout mid to the end of 2020. But now we're on a boost back up. Volume is picking up. We're trading around 2 million shares right here, 8 million, 9 million shares. The stock went from about $1.18 all the way to highs here of about $2.07, and then we consolidated. We're looking for a consolidation here, a little bit of a pullback, hoping for some more volume to pick up, and this one to continue to trend up, break through that $2 resistance right there, and continue to push on up and extend its gains. So this one is very, very bullish. Short term, mid term, and long term analysts are very bullish on this penny stock. So this one is going to be one of my favorite picks for January and just 2021 in general. So I definitely want to take a look at this one, a year from now, and see how well we did with this pick. This stock would definitely be worth a lot more, and we can make some serious gains on this penny stock, in my opinion, obviously. So guys, I hope you enjoyed those 4 tech penny stocks for January 2021. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below letting me know you guys liked it. And as always, if you guys want to trade any of these penny stocks or just stocks in general, links in the description. Get your 2 free stocks when you sign up with Webull. Get your free stock from Robinhood. And also we have an M1 Finance link in the description. Also, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so before investing into any type of stocks, make sure you speak to your financial advisor. Trade based off of anybody else's, words. Do your own due diligence before investing, as this could be very, very volatile, and investing in the stock market is very volatile and dangerous if you're not done correctly. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.